In today's video, we'll be going over some fresh updates about the Mytier Airdrop. Earlier, many of us created our accounts but didn't verify our emails. So in this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to complete your email verification process. Along with that, I'll also share important updates about the project's roadmap and halving schedule. If you haven't yet joined this project, it's very similar to the Sidra Chain project, and later their tokens will be available for sale, so it's definitely worth joining early. You'll find the joining video at the end of this one, and you can watch it to learn how to register properly. Now let's go through the process of verifying your email. First, log into your account on the official website. Once you're logged in, you'll see the option to verify your email right on the homepage. If you accidentally close that prompt, just click on the three dots in the corner, scroll down, and select My Info. Inside this section, you'll find the options to change your email or verify it. If your email is incorrect, you can update it here, and if it's correct, simply click the Verify option. Once you hit Verify, a message will appear that says Email Verification Required. Go ahead and click Send Email. You'll receive a link from Mytier in your inbox. Open that message and click the verification link to complete the process. I just received my verification mail at around 9:27 from Mytier. After clicking on the Verify Email button in the message, my account immediately showed Email Verified. Once done, click OK and refresh your account page. You'll then see a green tick beside the Email Verified label. If your email hasn't been verified yet, you'll see a red cross instead. Now, regarding their roadmap, the project is designed to continue until late 2026. By then, the token sale and purchase will begin. That means we still have about a year to go, giving early participants more time to earn points. The earlier you join, the more points you'll accumulate, while joining later will result in fewer points. Each 1,000 points will be converted into one token when the conversion begins. This shows that token value could increase over time since they're reducing the number of tokens rewarded for higher points. According to the white paper and roadmap details, the KYC process and mainnet launch are expected around Q4 of 2026. Once the mainnet is deployed, token transfers and purchases will begin. Until then, it's best to stay active and continue earning points because joining too late won't give much advantage since the conversion ratio will remain 1,000 points to one token. Now, about halving. Once the project reaches 500 users, the current 9,000 point reward will be cut by half to 4,500 points. When the user base reaches 1,500, another halving will occur, reducing the reward again from 4,500 points to 2,250 points. These halvings are part of the pre-migration phase. Later, during the post-migration framework, the project's mainnet will already be active, and mining of the main token will begin through their app. Even after launch, halving will continue to maintain the token's value. Initially, you'll be able to mine around 9 tokens, and later, it will reduce to around 4 or 5 MT tokens. The project's conversion ratio has also been mentioned clearly. 1,000 points equal 1 MT coin. Although that may sound like a big deduction, it's part of their value stabilizing strategy. You can earn more points both through their app and by participating in various activities. Watching ads inside the mining app will also help you earn extra points. There's also a daily check-in event currently running. By visiting the events section and clicking View Details, you can join the daily attendance program. Checking in daily rewards you with 500 points. If you continue checking in for 2 days straight, you'll receive 1 MT coin as a bonus. If the project performs well, these coins could hold great value in the future. That's all for today's video, Profit Quest's family. As new updates come, I'll continue sharing them with you. Don't forget to subscribe to the Profit Quest channel for more crypto-related content and opportunities. Also, join our Telegram channel using the link in the description to discover more money-making opportunities